What's up, everybody? Welcome to the MoveU Shoulder Impingement, Rotator Cuff Tear, Slap, Tear, Winging Shoulder Blade, and Chronic Shoulder Dislocation Program. If you're here, it's because you're ready to fix that pain in your shoulders and to take control of your life. So whether it's shoulder impingement, a torn rotator cuff, a slap tear, winging shoulder blades, or chronic shoulder dislocations, you have made the right choice. I'm Dr. Michael Wassilison, and I'm here to tell you the raw truth. The reason you're in pain isn't just because of a torn tendon, a labral tear, or recurring dislocations. It's because of a chronic, misaligned scapula. And every time you push, every time you pull, every time you press, it's causing a collision to occur in your shoulder joint. Now, this problem, it's not just physical. Chronic pain can become emotional.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
It creates fear, it creates anxiety, it creates depression.
What? Were you saying something?
You stop trusting your body and start avoiding the movements. This program is here to fix your shoulders and help you break out of that cycle for good. So here's what actually is happening inside of your shoulder. Every time that you move, your shoulder's ball and socket joint collides with the acromion. That's the tip right there, the roof of the shoulder. And over time, this collision, it leads to things such as fraying and tearing of your rotator cuff muscles, tearing your labrum, straining or tearing your biceps tendon. For those of you with chronic shoulder dislocation, this problem is even worse. When your scapula is misaligned, it also destabilizes your entire shoulder joint, making it more likely to slip forward into a dislocation and do this repeatedly. And the problem doesn't just stop there. It extends into your neck, it extends into your chest, it extends into your middle back, getting into this rounded position. And this is all because of this misaligned scapula. Now, let's go over what this is called. It's called scapular dyskinesis. It's when your shoulder blade is elevated, anteriorly tilted, and it's protracted. It creates a winging position of the shoulder blade where the blade is peeled back from the rib cage. Often you could touch the bottom tip of the scapula. You could even slip a slider underneath it and smuggle it across the border.
Are you bringing anything back into the United States, sir?
Yeah.
This position causes chronic pain, dysfunction. It's like a garage door stuck halfway down.
What do I do?
When you try to lift your arm up, this humeral head right here, this bone, collides right there with the roof. Just like a car hitting a low-hanging garage door.
Watch your head.
But when your scapula is aligned and it moves properly and it's in proper position, it's like lifting the garage door up. It creates space from the underneath the acromion to the shoulder blade. And what happens then is it allows you to lift your arm up without that collision occurring underneath the roof, leading to pain-free movement and more range of motion. Many of you guys are like, I need a stretch. I'm like, you don't need a stretch. You need to get your scapula in the right position. It'll allow your shoulder to move up more freely, giving you the mobility you want through activation and strength. In most treatments out there, they literally slap a Band-Aid on the symptoms. Massages are great for muscle mobility, oxygenation, but they only address the muscle and not the movement. Physical therapy, it often doesn't progress you properly. You're handed a couple exercises to repeat forever, and hopefully those work.
I doubt it.
Chiropractors might adjust the bones, but if you don't learn how to fix the muscles, the misalignment will return time and time again. Painkillers, well, they numb the pain, but you keep moving your body poorly and causing more damage. Surgery, it patches the symptoms, but doesn't address the root cause, and you're still moving like crap. This program is different. It's designed to address the root issue, this scapular misalignment, and stop the collision in your shoulder once and for all. You don't need an official diagnosis to start this program. In fact, it's probably better if you don't have one. No MRI, no X-ray, or no doctor required. If you're dealing with shoulder pain, neck tightness, rounded upper back, or you just want a strong, functional back and shoulders, you are in the right place. If you're unsure if this program is right for you, check out the qualification guide below and the other resources below, and make sure you post your questions, your posture, and your movement inside of our community, and they're gonna give you the guidance you're looking for. You're gonna get the support and clarity you need to confidently move forward. I spent the last 20 years in healthcare, working with thousands of people just like you, and I've had my share of shoulder injuries. I had an AC joint from a jiu-jitsu fall. I had a mountain biking accident, AC joint, and about 3 years ago, I did this crazy kettlebell movement. It was so stupid, and I ripped the hell out of my labrum.
What am I doing here?
Oh, okay.
Took me about 3 years to recover from that one. But to this day, no needles, no drugs, no surgeries, and I don't plan on having any of those. These experiences combined with my doctoral training, clinical success, led me to create this program. It's been tested and refined by over 200,000 of our members. We've already had go through these, and it's backed by more than 30 peer-reviewed studies. You will not find a more comprehensive, research-based, proven program for this anywhere on planet Earth. And this program is safe for anybody who can move their shoulder blade, not even the arm. So if you're able to do this, and do this, and do this, and do this right now, then it's safe for you to start. We start with exercises as simple as learning to move your shoulder blade up, down, forward, and scooping it underneath. It may sound simple to you, but you're gonna be surprised about how difficult this is. You're not even gonna move your arm bone up and down like this for the first few weeks. This is a safe, methodical, step-by-step process that's designed to help you heal and regain control of your body. I'm gonna repeat this again. This program is designed to help you correct the misaligned position of your shoulder blade, which is elevated, protracted, and anteriorly tilted by helping you strengthen and mobilize your shoulder blade in the opposite direction of the misalignment. That is the key factor. But this isn't just about biomechanics. Every movement in this program is intentional, helping you create a deep connection to your posture and help build new neural pathways for automatic pain-free movement. Yes, you're gonna start with exercise for the shoulder, but you're gonna progress into exercise for the neck, the back. We're gonna go over those down below. But by addressing both your body and your brain, this program rewires how you move for lasting results. So you're gonna be going through 2 phases in this program, each phase lasting 90 days if you're doing this daily. Phase 1's all about building your foundation, fixing your alignment, improving your mobility, and beginning strength. We're gonna address the chronic tension in your neck and shoulders and help you retrain your nervous system to move pain-free and gain more confidence. Phase 2 takes it to the next level. You're gonna develop strength, stability, and move into more dynamic movements that support real-world activities and sports. Every movement in this program is intentional. We're fixing the root cause by aligning your shoulder blade, building shoulder strength, and restoring the proper mechanics of your body. Along the way, you're gonna break free from pain and fear that's been holding you back. Here's the deal. Pain's tough, but this program gives you the tools to face it head on. Every week, you're gonna see real changes in how you move, how you feel, and over time, you're gonna break that mental and physical cycle that keeps you stuck. You've already taken the most important step. You've enrolled, you paid, you're here. Now, commit to showing up for yourself. Before you start though, make sure you check the resources under this video. You're gonna find downloads, qualification guides, how to take your posture, movement photos. And I want you to do every single one of those. They're all designed intentionally. Also, take time to watch the Start Here videos at the top of the program. They're gonna show you how to navigate this platform. Use the tools and get the most out of the experience. The minimum requirement, the C- requirement, is 15 minutes a day of practicing and training these movements. But just those 15 minutes are gonna transform your body, mindset, and your life. So let's get to work and fix those shoulders.
Only